How to write a précis writing. A step-by-step guide. Hello friends. Welcome to my Allessaywriter YouTube channel. Today, we're going to delve into the art of précis writing. Whether you're a student or a professional, mastering this skill can greatly enhance your ability to summarize and convey information concisely. So, let's get started with our step-by-step guide on how to write a précis writing. What is précis? A précis is a concise summary or abstract of a longer text, such as an article, essay, or book. It aims to capture the main ideas, arguments, and essential details of the original text in a condensed form. A well-written précis provides a clear and objective overview of the source material while maintaining its original meaning and tone. Step 1. Read the text carefully before you begin writing a précis. It's crucial to read the original text thoroughly. Take notes, underline important points, and ensure you have a solid understanding of the main ideas and arguments presented. Step 2. Identify the main points. Once you have a good grasp of the text, identify the main points and arguments made by the author. These are the key elements you will focus on in your précis. Step 3. Remove unnecessary details in a précis. Brevity is key. Remove any unnecessary details, examples, or supporting information that doesn't contribute directly to the main ideas. Remember, a précis should be a condensed version of the original text. Step 4. Craft a thesis statement. Now, it's time to create a concise thesis statement that captures the essence of the original text. This statement should convey the main idea or argument while remaining clear and succinct. Step 5. Compose the précis using the main points and thesis statement as your guide. Start writing the précis. Maintain a formal and objective tone, and avoid inserting personal opinions or interpretations. Focus on presenting the author's ideas accurately and coherently. Step 6. Edit and revise. Once you've finished writing, it's essential to review and edit your précis. Check for grammatical errors, ensure proper sentence structure, and make sure your précis flows smoothly. Step 7. Proofread and finalize. Finally, proofread your précis to catch any remaining errors. Verify that the summary captures the essence of the original text and reflects its tone accurately. Make any necessary revisions, and then your précis is ready to be shared. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to write a précis writing. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep honing your skills, and you'll become a master of concise summarization in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Until next time, happy writing!